Here's how you can use ChatGPT to backtest the index fund strategies. If you want to backtest your strategies or just backtest the trending strategies, this is the way to do it. First of all, go into your browser and search for ChatGPT. Log in with an account. It's free, so go ahead and do it. Or you can also stay logged out, but that way your data won't be saved. Now, when you're on the main page, you'll need to add up a prompt. If you don't have strategies and want to know about strategies too, first thing we're going to do is ask ChatGPT about some trending index fund investing strategies. As you can see, as soon as I've clicked enter, it has given me a lot of trending different strategies like core satellite strategy, dollar cost averaging, tax efficient investing, thematic long-term bets, etc. By studying these strategies, you would get to know more about investing in index funds. And also the main question, if you want to backtest these strategies, just ask ChatGPT in a prompt like this one. You can just simply ask it to backtest all of these trending strategies. And just in seconds, you'll be given an advanced data table sheet consisting of all the strategies, the ETF, CAGR, volatility, max drawdown, and even Sharpe ratio. You can study all this in order to get all the advanced information on all of these strategies. You'd be also given recommendations by it. If you don't understand anything from this, you can just give ChatGPT one prompt and you'd be able to understand it in the most basic language. This way, you can understand each and every aspect of every strategy that you want to by using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.